Come on, holla, hey, I'm a stoner, summer, Benny, Hana, cook up, hey, my crew, hey, surf up, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from WestKissHair. This hair, when I tell y'all showed me so much love on my Instagram page. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you are following me. But yes, this is the semi-viral wig that I was wearing on my Instagram that y'all was like, oh my God, what is that? What's the hair? Let me see the review. What's the details? La la la. Baby, here it is. So everybody was asking me also, did this come long? Did I cut it? No, this was a 16-inch curly wig. And when I tell y'all, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. So everything about her will be in my description box below, like I said. So make sure you guys are checking that out. So before we even get to the footage, I'm letting y'all know right now, I overplucked the crap out of this wig. And oh my God, this was such a cute unit. And I really messed up the hairline. Like, y'all will see that I could have stopped. They say to kind of like pluck the hairline when it's dry. Don't kind of do it when it's wet, because when it's wet, you tend to overpluck. So yes, I am sectioning off the hairs that I want to not touch for the time being and kind of work behind the hairline to pluck it. Again, I really truly don't have a method for real when it comes down to plucking a unit. Every unit that I pluck, I approach it differently, but then I approach it kind of the same, if that makes sense. Like, I just go off of how I want my hairline to look that day. It's never a universal, consistent hairline that I just have a signature hairline. Like, I just go off of how I feel and what I want my hairline to look like that day. But let's get into this hair though. I really love how easy this hair was to like put on, apply. Curly units kind of make me nervous a little bit because you never want to brush out too much of the curls where it doesn't snap back. But this is human hair, so I did end up using my Nairobi foamy mousse. I did peep that my girl Kyra Shine, if you are already following her, I'm pretty sure y'all is. But my girl Kyra Shine, she usually kind of does the Nairobi foaming mousse, and then she'll kind of do the finger coils with the hair, and it'll kind of come out really pretty. But yes, this is where I messed up by actually adding mousse to the hairline, because in my head, I'm like, oh my God, this hairline is still thick. I really need to keep plucking. But no, this is where I should have stopped, because in the next footage, y'all will see where it went from this to bald. Like, I have no hair right there. And I really, like, in my head, I'm like, looking at it on the camera, looking at it while I'm plucking. I'm like, okay, I'm doing good, da da da. And then once I got closer and closer to looking like, okay, I think I'm done, I was looking at the hairline like, why does it look like this? Like, what did I just do? But y'all loved it on my Instagram page. Like I said, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you are following me. My Instagram is BeautyW.cat. So make sure you guys are following me because I am a little bit more active on there versus YouTube. I did use my NARS foundation to kind of color my lace. I really need to just go ahead and pick up some tint spray and stop fooling with my makeup because I don't know, it's been laying pretty nicely, but I want to go back to my spray. I feel like it's less of a mess. But overall, if I had to genuinely give you guys my pros and cons with this unit, obviously the pro with this unit, I love how this was not long. I love curly hair, but when it's too long, it's kind of like, you kind of in the way. Just dealing with the tangles and just putting mousse on it. It being all on my neck and my back, like, I do not like it. So I love how this hair was short. The texture of this unit was extremely beautiful. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle like I thought she would have after all that plucking that I did. But obviously that was just excess hair from the hairline. But she was extremely soft. This is my throw on wig when I'm running errands. Like I use my little mousse, finger coil her, put like a little trucker hat on and just keep it moving. Like I really love this hair. Again, the cons is solely on my part. I overplucked the crap out this wig and I wish I didn't. I really wish I didn't because now I'm finna just have 2 bald spots on top of my forehead. So it's all right. Like I said, everything about this wig will be in my description box below. I'm so happy that you guys really love this wig just as much as I loved it because this wig is just everything. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank WestKissHair for sending me this unit. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga, A1.